Hey everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video, I will show you how to calculate ROI, return on investment, in Excel. So let's say I have these values on cost of investment and its final value, and I need to find the ROI of each of these rows. So it might seem a little hard, but it's really easy. So to calculate it, just press equals to and open a parenthesis. Here, type the cell of the final value, which is C2, and minus it with the cost of investment, which is B2, minus B2. Now, close the parenthesis and divide it by B2. Press enter and you will find the ROI of these two values. So if your ROI is not in percentage form, then you need to go to the number ribbon and press this percentage symbol, and you'll find your ROI in the percentage format. To copy the formula, just drag this and you'll find the ROI to all of these data. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll meet you guys in the next one.